Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming services, offering a vast library of songs, podcasts, and playlists. Its intuitive interface and personalized recommendations make it easy for users to discover new music tailored to their tastes. The free version includes ads and limitations, such as shuffled playback on mobile, while the premium subscription removes ads, allows offline listening, and improves audio quality. Despite its popularity, some users criticize its royalty distribution model, arguing that artists receive only a small fraction of the revenue. Additionally, occasional app bugs and regional content restrictions can be frustrating. However, its seamless cross-device experience, integration with smart home devices, and curated playlists keep it a top choice for many music lovers.